A great motorcycle ride is about more than just the destination. It's about the adrenaline, the scenery, and the freedom of the road. Capturing that experience demands a camera that can keep up. With that in mind, let's explore the best motorcycle cameras to buy this year. We begin with the GoPro Hero 12 Black, a model that continues to dominate the action camera space for all the right reasons. With its ability to shoot in stunning 5.3K at 60 frames per second, coupled with 10-bit HDR video and advanced hyper-smooth 6.0 stabilization, it delivers exceptional clarity and smoothness, even on rough roads. It's waterproof, rugged, and built to survive intense weather and vibration, making it perfect for full-throttle rides. The Hero 12 also features Bluetooth microphone support and timecode sync, which content creators love for multi-camera editing. Battery life has been improved compared to its predecessor, and overheating is no longer a major issue. Whether mounted on your helmet, handlebar, or chest, this camera strikes the perfect balance between cinematic quality and daily usability. Next is the GARMIN VIRB Ultra 30, a highly underrated gem, especially for riders who care about more than just visual. This camera brings in rich data with GPS, accelerometer, gyroscope, and altimeter sensors that overlay real-time telemetry such as speed, elevation, and G-forces on your footage. That makes it a top choice for off-roaders, dual sport riders, and adventure tourers. It shoots in 4K at 30 frames per second and includes voice control so you can start or stop recording hands-free, a convenient feature when gloved up. The 3-axis stabilization keeps things steady, and the waterproof case adds another layer of durability. With G-Metrix overlays and a wide field of view, the VIRB Ultra 30 doesn't just record your ride, it tells the full story behind every twist of the throttle. For riders looking for premium performance at a more accessible price, the DJI Osmo Action 4 is a strong contender. It delivers excellent 4K video at up to 120 frames per second, supports slow motion, and features rock-steady stabilization for ultra-smooth footage. Its large sensor and excellent low-light performance make it particularly great for sunrise or sunset rides. The Osmo Action 4 is also waterproof without an external case and has front and rear screens, which makes framing shots and vlogging easier than ever. Battery life is solid, and USB-C fast charging means you're back on the road quickly. With its intuitive menus and crisp video output, this is a go-to choice for moto vloggers and everyday riders alike. If you prefer a minimalist setup, the Insta360 Go 3S is arguably the most innovative option. This thumb-sized 4K camera is incredibly lightweight and mounts virtually anywhere: helmet, handlebars, mirror stems, or even directly to your riding jacket. Despite its size, it doesn't compromise on quality. The stabilization is excellent, and the companion app allows for quick edits and automatic highlight generation. The Go 3S is perfect for riders who want to film without the bulk of traditional cameras. However, its battery life is limited to around 45 minutes without the charging case, so it's best suited for shorter rides or as a secondary angle in your footage. For a discreet, cinematic look with a unique perspective, this tiny camera makes a big impression. Lastly, the GoPro Hero 13 Black takes everything the Hero 12 offers and pushes it further for creators who need the absolute best. With enhanced 5.3K footage, improved low-light performance, and a larger battery, this model is designed for serious video work. The addition of magnetic lens mods allows for creative flexibility, wider angles, macro shots, and more. Voice commands, cloud backup integration, and wireless preview options make it extremely user-friendly even on the road. It's the most expensive option on the list, but for professional motovloggers and riders who want nothing short of premium, the Hero 13 Black is in a league of its own.